Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll begin by ensuring both devices are linked and sharing contacts through iCloud. First, confirm Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are on and that both use the same Apple ID. Once done, enable contacts in iPhone settings, right arrow your Apple ID, right arrow iCloud so iCloud becomes the source. Next, open the Watch app on your iPhone and tap My Watch right arrow contacts to access the sync options. This directs the watch to mirror or pull contact data from your iPhone. Now configure how contacts appear on your watch. In the Watch app, you can select Mirror iPhone, which keeps the same contacts and order, or customize which groups the watch displays. To make people accessible quickly, add them to favorites on your iPhone. The watch surfaces those in calls and messages. Also, verify groups inside the iPhone Contacts app or at iCloud. So only the desired lists sync. This ensures you don't clutter the small screen and that updates flow from iCloud. Finish by opening contacts on the Apple Watch and testing a lookup or a Siri call to confirm sync. If a contact doesn't appear, first toggle contacts off and back on an iPhone iCloud settings, then restart both devices. This often forces a refresh. If that fails, unpair and repair the watch from the Watch app to trigger a full restore from the iPhone backup. This resets the sync state and typically fixes lingering sync or missing contact issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.